Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is Samsung brand 7 kg front loader washing machine. This machine having complaint while spinning time, making abnormal noise. It is customer telling it is huge noise. While without fabric, when I'm checking, I am not able to understand. I'm not able to troubleshoot. Because of that, we collected washing machine to the workshop. Now I'm going to check what was the problem exactly, and we will check and find the problem. I open the door here. It is look like no any damage bearing or something. It is look like okay. It's no tight, nothing. But customer telling it's making huge noise. Now what I'm going to do now, I will select the direct spin cycle here, and here no any program here direct spin. What we have to do, we have to select the rings and spin. After that we have to cancel the ring cycle, and now we can go for the direct spin. Now we will check. Now already door got locked. Here you can see here the drain pump also working. Now I selected here 1002 RPM. This is spinning RPM. Also it's remaining 9 minutes. Now only increase in RPM. Now it is a little bit dumb bubbling, actually bubbling here. You can see here, but it is doesn't matter. Bearing everything perfect. Now we will see what will happen from where it's making loud noise. Now we can identify bearing, no any problem. Now increase in RPM, it's showing 8 minutes. That means 1 minute came down. Now you can hear the noise also. It is no any noise abnormal. Now again increasing RPM, it's coming down timing. Now its maximum RPM it will take after come 6 minutes. Now it came already here 6 minutes. Now maximum RPM it will come 1200. But still no any abnormal noise. Now what we can do, I have to check with the load. Now still no any abnormal noise. The machine is perfectly running, but I have to check with the load only. Because of that, now what I'm going to do now, I will stop the machine, and I will power also I will off, because I now I'm going to load some fabric to the machine. With the load we have to check if it is coming any abnormal noise or not. Anyway, we will put some fabric. There should be the wet fabric actually. Now I will add the wet fabric and we will check. Now I'm going to add some fabric. It is wet fabric to the machine. After that, I will again select direct spin cycle, and I'm selecting as same before direct spin, because customer telling while spinning time making abnormal noise with the no load. Now again I'm cancel spin rings here. Again it will come direct spin. Now I will start. Now start spin cycle. Now we can check with the load if any abnormal noise from the machine. Now only increasing RPM little bit. Yes, it is. Now you can hear the noise. It is some abnormal noise. But with the load, now from the beginning is still I hear the noise. Yes, you can hear the noise now. Now we will remove the balance because I'm going to take drum out. After that, we will remove back of the machine motor and motor connections. Yeah. Yes, dear friend, it is problem with the shaft. It is already broken here. Shaft already broken, because of that only making noise. You can see here. Here it is broken. Now we have to replace the shaft. After that, our problem will get we can resolve. Now we will check the shaft. After that, we can finish our job. This is the problem actually. That's why it's while spinning time making abnormal noise. That's mean the shaft broken and in a drum touching with the body. Now we have to replace the shaft. Now we have to remove the spider. After that, we can refix new one. Now I'm going to fix new one, new shaft. Now it's please. And I can now everything we fix already. Now I have to fix only the top cover. After that we will check. Now it's not coming. It's not possible to come actually because already we replaced the shaft spider. Now we will check again. Now I already given power connection. Now I'm going to check again spin cycle, direct spin. Also I have to cancel spin cycle here. After that I will start the machine. Now it's increasing RPM. No any abnormal noise from the machine. You can see here. Now we can hand over to the customer. My job already done. It is complete. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks again.